Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many spatial analysis enthusiasts encounter. The issue at hand revolves around using the SD_nearest_point function to find the closest spot on a line to a nearby point. Despite efforts, the function doesn't seem to return a line string that touches the line as expected. Quite the puzzle, right? Now, let's explore the solution provided for this interesting problem. By leveraging the sfnetworks package, we can blend the line and points into an sf_network. This approach ensures that the point ends up on the line, addressing the precision challenge faced with floating point arithmetic. Even though SD_touches may still return false or empty, this workaround effectively places the point on the line. Continuing with our solution journey, we focus on the specific code snippet that confirms the spatial relationship between the newly adjusted line and point. By using SD_touches on line_n and point_n, we obtain a result indicating a touches relationship. Despite the detailed process we followed, the binary predicate list returned remains sparse, emphasizing the complexities of geometric computations. In wrapping up our spatial exploration today, we've tackled a unique problem with an innovative workaround using sfnetworks. Navigating the intricacies of spatial analysis challenges can surely lead to fascinating discoveries. Remember, the world of spatial data is vast and full of surprises. Until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Happy spatial analyzing!